This video will cover a basic overview of the Bev85, its components, the basic installation requirements, including the materials needed. The Bev85 oilless air compressor by Lancer was designed with consideration to the beverage industry, serviceability and ensuring compliance with relevant Australian standards. Outlined in the front view of the Bev85 compressor are the main components, which are serviceable or replaceable. The manual will assist in identifying specific part numbers. The Bev85 components and their location are seen from the rear of the compressor. The tools and materials required to complete the basic installation are listed here. The manual for this compressor is also a useful tool. It contains information regarding installation, service, spare part numbers, and troubleshooting for the Bev85. If you misplace this manual, you can access it by scanning the QR code on the compressor nameplate, using a mobile device that has a QR code app installed. The final key component to the manual is the installation checklist and warranty form at the back. Each unit has been factory tested and the details are notated prior to boxing. For warranty purposes at the time of installation, it is important also to record and complete this form and then emailing it to the address provided. Please take care when unboxing the Bev85. It weighs 38 kilos. Use of safe manual handling techniques are required. The compressor is supplied with 3 items: the manual, 3 rubber feet with fixings and the certificate of approval for the tank safety valve. Please ensure the certificate remains attached with the unit. With it unboxed, the next step is to fit the rubber feet. Carefully lay the unit on its back to access the 3 feet attachment points on the underside. The Bev85 installation site needs to be well ventilated and on a level, stable surface within 1 metre of an electrical outlet. Then with the feet fitted, we need to confirm the air filter elements have been fitted, and then electrically test and tag the unit in line with company requirements and the Australian standard guidelines. With the Bev85 in position, a clear 10mm internal diameter drain tube should be installed from the auto drain to the nearest floor ton dish. Raise the red button on the pressure switch to run the Bev85. Run a stopwatch to time how long it takes for the unit to cycle off, and record this on the warranty page. While the compressor is running, check that the auto drain is functioning and that the gauges are operating. In line with normal beverage dispensing requirements, the compressor has been factory set to maintain a tank pressure of 130 psi and a regulated air pressure set to 90 psi. When the unit has cycled out, confirm the automatic drain test function and operation. Press the test button on the controller. This controller has been factory set for the operating conditions. Please note the interval time between the bursts is 35 to 45 seconds and the length of the burst is set at 2 seconds. The supply air regulator with a water trap and air filter can be adjusted and cleaned. This regulator has been set to supply air at 620 kPa or 90 psi and should not need adjusting out of the box. Any adjustment can be made by lifting the black knob and turning clockwise for more pressure and anti-clockwise for less pressure. With the required setting made, push the adjustment knob back down. This limits creepage due to vibration. The red handle is a quarter turn style tap. When this handle is in line with the body, it's fully open. At 90 degrees to the body, it is closed.